them know where every blood clot body there. Cause them a spy on every more blood clot. And no ordinary person. No ordinary person now go have the ability to slap fake blood clot mosquito and fuck up people conscious mind or consciousness or get them to seek medical help. No regular person now go just do that. And when we say no regular person, I mean no person without the capability of carrying out such act. Now I'm going to do it. So whosoever carry out the act, to make that the contact, to make the product reach the consumer, is just the reseller of the paper. So you have years to hear the thing. Every product have a production line. Every blood clot product have a production line. And it go through the production line before it reach the consumer or the absorber. Them have all name feet. What the word there again? You call it money from the farm to the manufacturer to the consumer, whatever you call that. Not important right now where you get the meat of the matter. So if that are the first one ever happen, that are the first contact ever happen and it never reached nobody else yet, and I force everybody down there, but the whole world I force we are here about it. Meaning that I test run that. And based on what then they have to get the roll out. One of the things that people have blood clot for. One of the things that people born with a cow like you don't think. Eh? So I don't need to go back up in a blood clot mama and never come out. Because myself leaders and blood clot. Whatever other title I want to want for myself. Yeah, not found blood clot. Puppet with labels in a suit. Misleading the people. And have no bomber clot propaganda media. They use to test the waters. While the innocent human being, we just want to fucking be. The human just want to be. Because that's what humans do. They are beings, they just want to be. Some of them don't know them blood clot self and got tongue parasite. And make themselves used as a weapon. And in the long run, they realize that they have a blood clot implode. And if they just have to just give thanks to karma and learn our dead blood clot from it, whichever way you want to choose. But at times, blood clot people they wake up now. Wake up and see these blood clot puppet with labels. These puppet with labels swinging them hand and their foot like a them a moving. And when I run up and down and I jump up for them and I realize when them will not jump up for. Them a jump up, who not jump up for who they behind them, because them put themselves a jump up for who they behind them. Or I will pull them straight if you want to call it that. That's why you see, if you ever go ask for some nice, good vibration, some nice fucking good vibration and music for wake up people them and peel back the layers and layers and layers of blood clot deception with them bury and that. So till then I know them fucking self. Dance off and dance and sing off and dance and marry off the blood clot layers of deception and reconnect with your inner man, your inner self, and feel the difference and open your fucking eye and see the big blood clot stage are crumble. And if you're not careful, you're going to crumble with it. Because I honestly believe, say, if people were more aware of truth, don't tell me no fucking facts, because facts change as the scientists and the ones who are interpreted might change, the facts change. We are talking about truth, absolute truth, and nothing but the truth. If people know, you know the truth about the truth of blood clot truths, then they wouldn't know how to protect themselves, and they wouldn't let down their guard so till somebody can just have easy access to them to come run test on them and attack how them and kill mosquito. She then probably have a backup, and as she raise her hand, but she have a slap. She get one back in her blood clot, or even whosoever raise their hand and slap. You can just imagine though, blood clot, good woman left gone but I do our business. I do our blood clot business. Only for some parasite come now. With about what a big mosquito. The big mosquito was the big blood clot crowbait where a slap her. That was the big mosquito. The big old dirty blood clot crowbait where slap the woman. And him is a blood clot cruff. Him is a bumbo clot cruff. Where he never slap himself. And why am I going to look at a woman for do it? Not that him to do it with anybody, but why you see him but a big man. I'm a blood clot, big mosquito. She just better blood clot knows that she have to be careful. Because she don't know if you know so they ain't bother going to say no. Because you don't trust them neither. You don't trust them neither. Jamaican people better wake the fuck up. They better wake the fuck up and they not joke out this thing. They not joke out this thing. Next thing you ever hear them go joke it out and all of them something they done and that. They don't fucking joke it out. And no time for demand no time for joke in this time and age. You understand? People need to start think and not impossible. You understand? And realize nothing with them blood clot they teach you, nothing at all with them teach you. Be a blood, them don't teach you for benefit them. That's what they were doing, teaching us to benefit them. And anybody who realize and whatever, them put all sort of label upon them when them try go against with them try indoctrinating at them. And I know yesterday start. You understand? and chemical warfare and all of those things, it will go right down to the grassroots people them. That in my book, you know. And that's what me believe. And like me tell me, say me must say me no no expert and nothing, but me believe that them blood clot they are do. John Star. I wonder where the love in that man the art. I wonder when he sleep. When he go in bed, I wonder when he sleep. I hope it tormenting blood clot when or you sleep, or you do something, or you do something like that to someone who you don't know. You know the person will do you nothing. The person will do you nothing. And out of the blue, so you just choose to fuck up a person. You're an unbalanced man. Something wrong with you. And it's in the humanity. If your humanity is gone, you must piss it out. Or you sell your soul for you good go harm your sister like that. And what if she never like put up a little, you know, and get a little reserve energy so she could attract some attention and probably then kidnap the woman. That's not a nice thing. No sir, that's not nice. That's not nice. Human beings don't do them things that they do. Human beings don't try to fuck up other people's consciousness. And that's the piece of this. Human say that them say billions of cans that affect your consciousness. So whatever it is that, why would you want to even affect your sister consciousness like that? What was your motive? What is your real objective? And if it's as them say, it's a job, I wonder which love that job they're making up. And who fund it? And what them pay you, what kind of payment you get, and what kind of satisfaction you get to pass it on to your sister. I wonder if you have a mother. Because I mean, you know, there's some of them born out a woman, man. I wonder if you have a daughter. I wonder if you have a sister. I wonder if you have a female cousin, a female friend. I wonder if you may just do it to anybody. I wonder if you may do it to anyone of people. Give thanks self-leadership, see if you know or receive from the nation or results, get back into showing emotions, so she's still her mind still have a inner until she get that. That's some fucked up shit, eh? Flat, imagine you got that conclude that kind of business. A man come over a flat, till I can feel basket of fire, put in a hospital, and medical. If you was somebody like that, what do you do with him? What do you do with him? If they really hold that person, what do you really do with him? But things say you forget about the same blood clot in the two. What if you hold him and you got that blood clot? We're not going to do that anymore. That's done with them. When done, I don't want to talk about that one. I don't want to talk about that no more because that just even fuck up a thing about it. Fuck up a thing about so I don't want to think about it no more. Full stop, comma, dash, ma. Just say it, you know? Yeah, man. Just say it 101. Anything goes. Spiritual reason. Spiritual reasoning with self. And consciousness. A beautiful sunshine what I'm doing today. So anyway, I hit that, you know, just one of them things there. I guess it's just fuck up, you know. Wish the sister all the best. And I wish her a full recovery from whatever poison or drug or whatever it is, whatever bacteria, whatever germ, whatever they inject in her under the disguise of a mosquito being slapped. Really hope it reverse. And I thought I'm glad saying that. Yes, anyway, just a little joke left and I'm crying. Like if you like, share if you want to share, comment if you want to comment, and subscribe if you want to subscribe. Peace and love all the way. Najee man, yeah man, Janice.